Okay, DIY Cymatics Rig, Part 2. Let's go. Slightly different setup. We're going to be using a pair of stereo Bluetooth speakers. I'm going to be using these drinking glasses to create the air gap. We've got our balloons, and we've got our pair of laser pointers. And this time I inadvertently created 6x5 squares. Thankfully, this time I remembered to turn the damn fans off. Okay, we've got Orchestral 2 on the other phone, and it's currently paired to that pair of speakers. So we have the glasses. These are on. I had to charge them to make sure they didn't die on me, but these fit dadgum perfectly, leaving a lovely little gap at the top for some air to pass. Or extremely rigorous scientific testing of balloons. You know what? I think we're just going to try to cut them, about there. That seems good. Ha! Lols. We thought $1 bag of party balloons had some resistance, man. Okay. Nothing broke. We're good. It just scooted a glass back. Okay, continuing on. Alright, let's find out if we can make one of these stretch now. Come here, you little sucker. Hey. Ugh. Fiddly bits. Definitely some fiddly bits. Come here. Get in there. Okay. Okay. Come on. Whoop. Oh boy. This is going to take a second. Okay, after careful consideration, I decided I didn't cut these balloons off high enough, so let's get two more. Gotta be different colors. We've got left and right channel in this one. Okay. Let's try this again. See if I can do this a little more gracefully this time. Don't cut towards yourself, genius. There we go. Okay. See if I cut these off any higher. Hey, I did. Okay, good. Ah, the freaking... It went on there. I saw it go on there. Ah, you sucker. All right, hang on. Well, that wasn't fidgety or annoying in any way. Okay. We have our glasses. Now, however, I will point out that there is a little bit of a tear in this one. It sounds a little lower, so actually that should be pretty good because we're going to get some different cymatic patterns anyways because of the channel separation. But now we should get them also because one balloon is slightly lower than the other. So the idea is if I set these very gently over, these speakers should just stay put. Aha! Well, let's see. We still connected? Yep, still connected. Okay, one more minute. Okay, we successfully have the stuff stuck onto the balloons. All right. Okay, well, it did occur to me, these are lasers. It's dark. Let's turn the lights off. Yes. Okay, basically, I'm just going to hit play on Orchestral 2. You'll see the stereo separation, and this has got to be the most interesting setup I think I've worked with before. This is cool. Okay, I'm going to turn the lights back on because in the phone screen, I'm not seeing the patterns that I'm seeing with my eyes on the boxes. Hang on. Okay, and resuming. Okay, I've got about 45 seconds left. So that's really freaking neat, man. That's like, I see patterns on the cardboard that the camera is not picking up. I realize that I'd have to try with different lighting conditions, try to introduce some artificial light on the box. Maybe the camera can focus a little bit better or something like that. But now that I got that made, that's easy. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this one too. Take it easy.